sewing pillow covers until I'm able to buy a Juki TR2300 sewing machine. That was the goal. Yes, I've not been making video for some time. This is it. It happens. Sometimes you want to make videos, but life just takes over. You see, you have so many things to sort out. But you don't know, think I just forgot about my goal. I didn't forget about the goal. I was actually working behind the scene. You see, first of all, let me say a very big thank you to all of you. You guys are simply amazing. The last video I posted on this channel exploded. I want to say a very big thank you for those that clicked on it, for those that liked it, for those that subscribed to the channel. It has helped me to stay motivated on this channel in a very, very big way. You see, it's one thing to make videos. It's another thing for people to actually watch the videos and write back to you, telling you, thank you so much. This video helped me. This video helped me to achieve this. This was a very big indicator for me that, yes, this is something I'm supposed to do, and I'm going to continue doing it. Yes, apart from that video, which was a helpful video, I still have a goal, which is to sew pillow covers until I'm able to buy a Juki TR2300 sewing machine. That is my dream machine. This is a machine that I've always longed to want to have. I don't want to buy the machine just picking money from somewhere else and I'm throwing it at the machine. I actually want to put myself under very strict discipline to make sure I sew these pillow covers, be accountable to myself, sell them, and actually take the money, the profit I will make from sewing these pillow covers, to actually throw it into buying the Juki TR2300 sewing machine. That reminds me, somebody actually left me a comment that she got this machine in one of the marketplaces for 200 euros. This is amazing because for that price, you pretty much cannot get something like that because this machine right now is well over 1,800 euros. I've not checked the actual price. I'm going to be checking much later. But the thing is, I have not been sleeping on this goal. This goal remains. All right. Once in a while, we're going to be making videos like this to update you how things have been going. You see, I've been working behind the scene. I have an offer on eBay. For those of you that know eBay, you know eBay is one of the biggest marketplaces you have around just to sell your handmade products. Yes, there is Etsy, but I'm an eBay person, so I kind of understand the eBay game. I understand the eBay system, how you place items there and items just sell, all right? You see, I have an offer there on eBay, and I've been selling, doing what others have been doing, which is just basically raising to the bottom. You see, and I said to myself, enough is enough. That was the reason why I didn't really make any update video on this sewing project to buy a Juki machine. I felt like there should be a different approach to making these pillow covers in such a way that I'm able to get a decent amount of money making it. For those of you that don't know, I'm just going to briefly explain what it means when you raise to the bottom. All right, just say for example these scissors right here, you have like 10 people selling it, and the price, the prevailing market price is like 10 euros or $10, depending. Don't let the currency be the distraction here. All right, let's just say this scissor sells for $10. All right, and 10 people are selling it, and then from nowhere, one bad seller from the 10 decides to sell these scissors for $5. What happens when this bad seller decides to sell these scissors below market price? You realize that there's now a situation where this one bad seller is the only person making all the sales because every other person is selling at 10 euros or $10, and he decides to sell these particular scissors for $5. So the whole traffic goes to him. Everybody wants to buy from him. And sooner or later, the other sellers are going to look and say, look, I also think I want to make sales because it makes no sense for me to just be here not making sales. This bad guy is just making all the sales. This next seller decides to drop the price also to $5. And then the next seller decides to drop the price. And before you know it, everybody's going to be selling that scissors for $5. $5 is still responsible. But then this one bad seller decides to even go further to drop the price to $1. And then everybody says, okay, we're not going to do $1 because it's not just feasible. And then he's the only one making sales. Everybody is just so angry. And after a while, let's say about a few months, the other seller decides to say, you know what? We also need to make sales somehow. We need to feed our families. We need to pay our rent. And then they go ahead to drop the price as well. So at the end of the day, nobody's benefiting from the business. Everybody's just raising to the bottom. And this was the game I was playing for some time. And I felt like, you know what? Enough is enough. Yes, it's a fact. There are a lot of bad sellers selling this handmade product below market price. Sometimes when you look at the price that people sell their items, you pretty much just wonder, how are they able to actually make these items and sell it? Let me give you an example. A pillow cover right now, you can get it on some website for $1. For a pillow cover that has the zipper, the fabric, the shipping, and packaging, just name it. This is a brutal price, And if you are a small handmade business, you won't be able to play that game because these people, they have a way of mass producing this thing. But then, let me shock you. So I was playing this game. I'm not saying it was $1. I was playing this race to the bottom game, selling the same price that every other person was selling just to make sure that I made sales. But then one day, I decided to order from one of the competition. What I did, I just went to one of my dummy accounts. I placed an order on these cheap, shitty pillow covers, and then they got delivered to me. And lo and behold, these pillow covers was really shitty. The fabric was terrible. And then what got me really thinking or surprised was that all along I have been selling my premium cotton fabric for the same price. That wasn't going to happen again. I said to myself, this material that is delivered to me was really terrible. The material was itchy. You put it on your skin, it scratches you. You can really tell that this is just a material that was just dyed. And you wash this fabric one time, it's definitely going to just be finished. First of all, it's going to shrink. It's going to bleed out all the colors, the terrible, shitty colors that they used in just bleaching it. When I saw blue was looking like something I can't even describe. When I saw cream white was looking terrible. And I said to myself, so you mean I've been playing this game just not knowing the quality of material these guys have been using to play this game. And ever since, my eyes opened. And I said to myself, never again am I going to be raising to the bottom in terms of price when it comes to my handmade pillow covers. And because of that, I went onto my shop on eBay, changed a lot of things, changed the prices, changed the pictures of my offers, and then changed the description also to ensure that when people see this offer, they are definitely going to stop by and want to look at the description. And in the description, I did make sure to tell people that, look, these are premium pillow covers made from one of the best premium cotton fabric out there in the market. And then I increased my price, and lo and behold, sales have been coming in. This took me kind of like a week or two to set things up, but then it makes no sense for me. I kind of was angry because all along I've been thinking that I could just fight with my competition by lowering my price just to make sure that I stay in the game of selling things. But at the end of the day, it makes no sense because when you consider the quality of items that you are delivering to the market, and when you consider the fact that you are actually a brand supposed to be different from every other person, when you consider the fact that you are bringing premium quality stuff to the market, you shouldn't be shy to actually increase your price and state in your description that, yes, these are decent premium pillow covers that will not itch your skin, pillow covers that when you sleep on it, you have no business having nightmares. Because why would you have nightmares when they don't itch you? You lay on it, it's kind of just so soothing to your skin. There is no reason why you should have nightmare when you sleep on a pillow cover that have been made with premium fabric. So this was what I thought, and I felt like, yes, for those that understands quality, they are definitely going to stop by and buy it. Because I kind of imagine that if you are somebody that loves quality and then you go ahead and maybe you make a mistake to order one of these shitty pillow covers for like $1 and it gets delivered to you, you are definitely going to return it, because at the end of the day, the quality, the fabric itself was so thin, it's so thin that you can even see through it. It was as bad as that. So when I saw that, I said, you know what, I'm going to raise my price again. So right now, my prices have been significantly increased. I want to wait for the decent buyers, people that understand quality, and people that understand quality will definitely come to your product. Stop raising to the bottom when it comes to your handmade product. Doesn't matter what you make with your hands. It could be pillow covers. I make pillow covers. You could be making something else. You could be that you're not even a tailor. It could be that you make a wooden product. You could be doing a lot of other handmade stuff. But understand that if you have taken pains to deliver quality product to the market, don't be shy to also indicate on your description that, yeah, these are one of the best products. These are not products that you get on some of the shitty online marketplaces. These are products that have been designed with quality in mind, and products that when you use them, you have no business going back again to the shitty product. When you can figure out a way to pass this information to the potential buyer that, look, whatever you have to sell is high quality, you are definitely going to be making sales. Of course, sales have started rolling in. I had it to still develop because this machine right now, I still need to check the price of this Juki TR 2300, because as the last time when I started this challenge, it was about $1,800. I'm not so sure. Right now is the end of September. So perhaps as we approach the Christmas month, It's also going to be cheaper. I wouldn't know, but I'll have to check it again. But before then, I definitely need to develop a system for me to track the revenue I'm getting from this particular challenge, which is sewing these pillow covers, because I just want to be able to sew these pillow covers and sell them and raise the exact amount I need to be able to buy this machine. And thereafter, we're going to move on to a different challenge. There are different ways to make pillow cover. There are 1,001 ways. If you want to sew pillow covers and sell them, first of all, you have to figure out a way to create these pillow covers as quickly as possible without burning out yourself. And this is the methods that I use for my pillow covers. They're very easy method, a method that will see you fixing the zipper on the pillow cover in less than 3 minutes. And every other thing like packaging, shipping, pretty much goes easy. Right now, I have about 20 or 25 colors. I'm not so sure. I still need to break down color for color all what I have in the shop so I can pass it on to you so you have an idea of what this challenge is about. So everything has been going smoothly. Like I said, there were 2 good orders that came in today. We had some, just trying to look at the colors that sold. Rosa, 40 by 40 centimeters sold. Cream white is one of my best color because it's very cool. It's not really white, it's off-white. Cream white, 40 centimeter by 40 centimeter also sold. And then hell blue. In Germany, we call it hell blue, but it's pretty much sky blue. This is also very decent, cool color. As a matter of fact, the material I ordered from the competition was actually sky blue, and it was terrible. It was terrible, very, very hard. I'm still angry at the fact that people actually use fabric like this to make pillow covers that people will sleep on. And to cap it on, it was still smelling the dye that they used in dyeing it. I don't know whatever kind of dye they use for this fabric. It was terrible. So 40 centimeter by 40 centimeter sold for €7.99. And then light gray, we call it hair gray in Germany. Light gray also sold 40 centimeter by 40 centimeter for €7.99. This is amazing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful because before now, I used to sell this thing far below what they were really worth, you know. But after the experience I got from this test I made, which is me ordering for my competition just to see what they were making and how they were able to figure out bringing this kind of pillow covers for so cheap to the market. Now these prices are very considerate, and hopefully if I see how things go, I'm definitely still going to increase the price because I'm so proud of the materials I have. For those of you that have not seen the collections of the different colors I have, just make sure you check this video here. I'm going to be linking it up somewhere here or here. Click on it and see the kind of premium colors with which I am making my pillow covers. I hope you got values from this video. I'm so happy to be back. It was quite a long time, and I'm still holding my scissors because this scissors microphone was one of the high points of the last video I made. Once again, I really do appreciate you guys for giving this channel an opportunity to be heard. For those of you that commented, I did do my best to reply all the comments. If you still have comments on whatever, look through the videos, click around. If you have comments on anything, make sure to ask me and I will do my best just to give you a responsible reply. Until I see you again,